Keeping your windows clean and well-maintained in Rockford can feel like a constant task. Between snowy winters, rainy springs, summer dust, and falling leaves in autumn, your windows are exposed to all four seasons. If your current windows are difficult to clean or require frequent upkeep, it may be time to consider a more practical solution. Slider windows are becoming a popular choice among Rockford homeowners because they are designed with simplicity, durability, and low maintenance in mind. If convenience matters to you, here's how slider windows can make cleaning and maintenance much easier. A simple design with fewer moving parts. One of the biggest advantages of slider windows is their straightforward design. Unlike double-hung windows that rely on springs, pulleys, or balance systems to move up and down, slider windows glide horizontally along a track. Fewer mechanical components mean fewer parts that can wear out or break. This reduces the likelihood of operational issues over time and minimizes the need for repairs. For homeowners in Rockford who prefer reliable, low-maintenance features, this simplicity makes slider windows an attractive option. Easy-to-clean glass panels. Cleaning traditional windows, especially on upper floors, can be a challenge. Many modern slider windows are designed with removable or tilt-in sashes, allowing you to clean both the interior and exterior glass from inside your home. This feature is especially helpful during Rockford's colder months when climbing a ladder outdoors isn't safe or practical. Being able to clean your windows comfortably from indoors saves time and improves safety. Even ground-level slider windows are easier to manage thanks to their large, flat glass panels without complicated grids or hardware in the way. Low-maintenance frame materials. Slider windows are commonly made with vinyl or fiberglass frames, both of which are known for durability and minimal upkeep. Vinyl frames resist moisture, cracking, peeling, and fading. They don't require repainting or sealing, making them ideal for handling Rockford's snow, rain, and seasonal temperature changes. Fiberglass frames offer similar durability and are resistant to expansion and contraction caused by temperature fluctuations. This stability helps maintain a tight seal and smooth operation year after year. Compared to traditional wood frames, which may require regular sanding and repainting, these materials significantly reduce maintenance demands. Simple track maintenance. Since slider windows move along a horizontal track, occasional cleaning of the track keeps them operating smoothly. Dirt, dust, and debris can accumulate over time, but routine maintenance is quick and easy. A simple vacuum or wipe down of the track area helps prevent buildup. Applying a small amount of lubricant periodically can also ensure smooth gliding action. This light maintenance is far less intensive than dealing with stuck sashes or malfunctioning balance systems found in other window styles. Durable performance through all seasons. Rockford's climate brings freezing winters and warm summers. Slider windows are built to withstand these conditions with durable materials that resist warping and corrosion. Because the design is straightforward and sturdy, slider windows hold up well against seasonal wear and tear. This means fewer repairs and less frequent maintenance over the lifespan of the window. Energy efficiency. Without extra work, modern slider windows often include double-pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings. These features improve energy efficiency while maintaining a tight seal when closed. Better insulation means fewer drafts and more consistent indoor temperatures, all without requiring additional upkeep from you. A practical upgrade for busy Rockford homeowners. If you're looking for windows that are easy to clean, simple to maintain, and built to last, slider windows are a smart investment. Their user-friendly design, durable materials, and minimal maintenance requirements make them ideal for Rockford homes. By upgrading to slider windows, you can spend less time worrying about upkeep, and more time enjoying a comfortable, well-maintained home.